Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I just did a video about 20-30 minutes ago, or even an hour ago. And I made Halloween cat slime, and I don't have black food dye. So this is clear slime, and if you want to see it, you guys, here it is. And it's really good. But today what we're going to be doing is a really weird experiment. Instead of baking soda with water, we're just going to do regular baking soda by itself with the slime and see what kind of slime it makes. So I already have some white glue in here. I have my contact lens solution. And then I have my baking soda. So I'm going to add some baking soda. Hopefully this won't explode in the world. I don't think it will. Okay, so okay, after that, I'm just going to... Okay, so it seems to be working. So if you don't have water, you can just pour it in there. But before you ever do, make sure you watch the video and make sure what kind of slime it turns out before. So this looks like it's going to be really rough slime because like this is getting super hard to mix. And it looks like nasty slime, like it looks like putty. So if you want to make like putty, if you like putty better than slime, then this is for you. But this feels like putty. This is totally putty. So if you like putty, make sure you use this recipe, but this is like totally putty. And it feels like weirdish.